Hi guys, today I want to teach you all how to make the hotel bed like a 5-star. First of all, remove the pillow and remove the blanket. Everything put on the chair. After that, go to get the new blanket covers and pillow covers all. And then you put aside. After that, then you can remove the bed cover now, the dirty bed cover. Just roll it up and then put on the floor. After that, just adjust the protector if you need it. So right. After adjust everything, then you can go to, you pull out a bit of bed, so easy for you to do the bed sheet. Then get your clean bed sheet and then you open all. Then you throw one at the front and forward and one at the back. Then from here you check which side is the soft part. The soft part, make sure you put on top of it. Yes, choose the soft part and then you open. When you open, you check where is the middle line. They always have the middle line. You choose, you place the middle line in the middle. Then you pull and you throw it to make it flat and stabilized. Then you start adjust to the bed accordingly. Then you see the both side. You will see it's not balanced or it's not right, then you just make it right. Then you can start to make a bed. You start in below the bed, starting from forward, then end in the backward. You just slightly pull out the bed, then you're alright. And from here, you just pull up, then make it a triangle. You put on the left hand side, then you cover it, do again, pull up, make it, and then put again, then you stuck inside immediately. Make it as a triangle, then you stuck. You don't need to carry the whole bed, just slightly lift up, then you put your finger in, then the bedsheet will go inside already. Then you start to another side. Same thing also other side. Make it triangle. You pull up, put your right hand side, hold it, make a triangle, then sit inside under the bed. Same with the half. Then you pull inside, back the bed, then you tuck in all the bedsheet under the bed. The next one is quite hard. It's a blanket. It's a very big, heavy blanket. Then you just put on the bed. Then you throw the dirty one, you pull up. Same thing, you roll and put other side on the floor. And you make it flat accordingly. Then get the blanket cover. You open the blanket cover, then you check. There is a two side, which is with a two side hole. You check where is the hole, is it? You check, and inside is one hole. You open it. Then you put your hand inside. Same with another one. Then you just pull until you see your head out. For the beginning, it takes some time because it's very huge. After that, you balance it. So you open up. Okay, you can see your two hand ring. Then from both inside, you take the edge of the blanket. Then you hold it. And then you start pull it. But don't let go the blanket. Just pull it. Make sure the blanket out from the edge of the hole from the blanket cover. Then you start making balance. Then from here you can pull the blanket cover to forward to make it balance. Then you start pulling the blanket cover to make it balance. So normally I'm in quarantine, so I have a lot of time. Just spend your time to doing the bed. Recommend 3 days one time. After that, you just balance it. Make it flat on the bed. Just adjust nicely. Alright, getting done soon. Just make it flat and adjust. Okay, finishing soon. Now you can see the bed is getting nice. Same thing also, you just go up, put your hand, and then make a triangle. Same thing the other side. Take out, put your hand in, then make a triangle. Then you step inside. You don't need to carry the bed, just slightly lift up, then put your finger in. You will stabilize it. Then you start to tuck in. Now your bed is ready in 80%. After you done this all, then you can start change your pillow. You take out the old pillow cover and just change the new pillow cover. Change pillow cover is most easier one. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please subscribe and share and click like, please. Thank you very much. Hope you guys enjoy the quarantines. Let's do it together. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen.